The Betway Premiership is back with a bang after the FIFA break and, of course, the Carling knockout. So now it's back to the Betway Premiership. We are previewing the matches that are taking place in the Betway Premiership, guys. So stay with me, guys, as we're previewing these matches. And go to the comment section, guys, and give me your predictions for these matches, guys. And or whatever comment, football-related comment you want to make, guys, do that. My name is Tim Skosana. So let's get to it, guys. So we're starting today, which is a Friday, okay, the 17th of October. The first match that we are previewing is a match that is taking place on the 17th of October. It's a Friday. It's a match between Richards Bay and Orbit College. Richards Bay are hosting the struggling Orbit College. Orbit College are going through a difficult time. They have not really found themselves in the league. So one hopes that maybe this match against Richards Bay may present an opportunity for them to find themselves and find their leg in the league before it is too late. Because you know that before you know it, it might be too late. Then that's it. The status is gone. The team is relegated. Okay. So starting with the home team, because Richards Bay are playing at home. So Richards Bay currently are at position 10. They've played 9 matches. They've collected 11 points. They've got a goal difference of -3. Then you go to the Orbit College, which is the visiting team. Orbit College are currently at position 13. They've played 9 matches as well. They've collected only 7 points, and their goal difference is -9. That's where their biggest problem is. You see, that's the biggest problem is with Orbit College. So one hopes that this match would present them and even an opportunity to find themselves, and also then the likes of Munapule Saleng. One hopes that the likes of Munapule Saleng may be the type of players that would turn things around for Orbit College, okay? Because before you know it, it's 15 matches played already, okay? And once it happens like that, then it becomes difficult. It becomes difficult to come back and defend the status, you see? So one is really hoping that this match will present them with an opportunity to overturn and, of course, turn the corner. Another match that we are having, it's the Durban Derby. It's a Durban Derby between AmaZulu and Durban City. This one will be played on Saturday, the 18th of October. 18th of October, AmaZulu are playing at home. This is their first ever Durban Derby, because you know that Durban City are a newly promoted side. So let us look at the two teams. Starting with the home team, AmaZulu. AmaZulu are currently at position 9. They've played 8 matches. They've collected 12 points. They've got a goal difference of -1. Then Durban City are currently position 4. They've played 9 matches. They have collected 15 points. They've got a goal difference of +3. Okay. My prediction for this match, I'm predicting a 1-1 draw between these two teams. As for the match between Richards Bay and Orbit College, I'm predicting a goalless draw. Okay. So go to your comment sections, guys, and give me your own predictions. Let's hear your own predictions. Another match that we are having is taking place tomorrow as well, which is Saturday, the 18th of October, at 5:30. It's Magesi Football Club who are hosting TS Galaxy. Okay, Magesi are hosting TS Galaxy. Let us look at where the two teams are situated on the log. Magesi are currently at position 15. It's not looking good for them. They've played 9 matches. They've got 6 points. They've got a goal difference of -7. TS Galaxy are currently at position number 7. They've played 8 matches. They've collected 13 points. And they've got a goal difference of +4. My predictions for this match, I'm predicting a 1-0 win for TS Galaxy. So let's go to your comment section, guys. So let me hear your own predictions and see how many of these predictions will get right. Then on Sunday, we've got a match between Marumo Gallants, who are hosting Chippa United, the struggling Chippa United, Sunday the 19th of October. Okay, so Chippa United are currently at position 16, guys. They've played 9 matches. They've collected 6 points. They've got a goal difference of -8. Then Marumo Gallants are currently at position 11. They've played 9 matches. They've collected 10 points. They've got a goal difference of -1. I'm predicting a 2-1 win for Marumo Gallants in this match. Let me hear your own predictions, guys, in the comment section, guys. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Let's meet again on Friday doing the same thing again. Thank you very much. My name is Tebus Kosana, and thank you for your time. Thank you.